Hey guys, this is Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Welcome back dito sa channel natin. And in this video, we're going to unbox two of the latest beginner drones by DJI. And these are the DJI Lito 1 at saka yung DJI Lito X1. So what we're waiting for? Let's do it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to unbox the DJI Lito 1 and then we'll proceed with the DJI Lito X1. Now what we've got here is the two battery combo version with the DJI RC N3, and the other one naman for the Lito X1 is the one with the DJI RC2. It's a fly more combo, so you get more in this bundle. Now, whether you're getting the Lito 1 or Lito X1, rest assured that these are beginner drones, and in fact we have a video of us teaching Louie and probably also Rick on how to use these beginner drones. Both of these drones are very light, ultra light. In fact, 249 grams lang. That means you can bring this with you in your travels, and just make sure that the batteries are in your hand carry, no? And also, just to let you know, if you wish to fly this, just be sure lang to fly in areas where you can fly and you do have, for example, a license to fly in that area, especially may mga restrictions dapat tayong sundin at saka mga rules, no? So again, rules apply when flying drones, at maganda pa rin talaga na you get yourself a CAP license. Now, let us proceed now first with the DJI Lito 1. No? Una, akala ko dati Lito, no? Dahil Pilipino tayo, pero no, it's actually Lito 1. So, we've got here the Lito 1. Box natin. Para meron kayong idea, no, what to expect on this version. Again, this is the two battery combo with the RC N3. Yung RC N3, wala siyang screen na kasama. That means you will have to use your smartphone if you're going to fly the drone. So here, we've got a box. Meron tayo dito connector for your smartphone. Kung naka-lightning ka pa rin, this is the one that you're supposed to use. Now, since what we have here is the two battery combo, we have here a battery. So this is the first battery. We've got here a screwdriver should you wish to adjust some of the propellers. And we do have here the RC N3 controller, as you can see right there. We will need to charge that. We have extra propellers. And we do have some documentations plus sticker if you wish to, you know, put the flare or put some stickers on your car or maybe on your laptop. And so these are pretty much everything in this smaller box right here. Let's now proceed with the other one, which is basically the drone itself. Now, for those of you who are watching this and you're not Filipino, I'm speaking in Taglish. It's a Tagalog and then English. So just so you know, because this video is intended for our Filipino audience, sa mga gustong bumili ng beginner drone dito sa Pilipinas. There you go. This is the Lito 1, and kasama na dito yung kanyang battery, which is another battery which you can charge via USB Type-C. Wala siyang kasama na charger, so it's all up to you how you wish to charge it. Again, as usual, you can just simply attach or connect the battery to the drone and then you charge it na lang. Okay? So ito siya. It has a protector. It's right there. Let's just lift this right like that. There you go. Kind of reminds me of the DJI Mini 4K in the past. Flip mechanisms. I believe kapag nabukas mo na yan, magbubukas na yung pinaka or magto-turn on na yung drone natin. Yan. As I mentioned, ito yung kanyang battery. And this one is lithium-ion battery. And as I mentioned, it does come with another one because this is the two battery pack version or combo of the DJI Lito 1. And so just to give you guys a quick demo or walk around, you've got here a sensor at the top. There's a sensor also at the bottom. So we only have two sensors here, and you have here the gimbal as well. So kung gusto mong pare-pare yan, you can basically control it using the DJI Fly app, or you can also use this. Now, this is the RC N3 controller. Yan. You have here yung pang-landing niya, no? And another here then, pagka halimbawa nag-land siya pa ganyan, it's not gonna, you know, do anything with the sensor right over there. It does have a provision for a micro SD, so should you wish to fly this, just make sure that you have an available micro SD card. may not be a little bit cheaper this time around because mahal ngayon ng mga memory cards, but that's okay. I mean, you don't have to buy the most expensive one. 128 gig maybe or 64 gig would do. And that is actually really fine. As I mentioned, again, go through tayo, no? You have the drone. You got here, of course, the flight battery times 2 po ito. Remote control, which is the RCN3. You've got, of course, a cable and a screwdriver plus extra propellers and manuals. Now, for the controller, this one already has a connected Type-C to Type-C port. Kasi these days naman, karamihan sa mga telepono, in fact, even iPhones are gumagamit na ng Type-C. Now, should you, or well, just in case you're still using an iPhone with a Lightning connector, they provided you with one, as you can see right there. Now, just simply have to replace this cable right here. But then again, as I mentioned, you simply have to use this if you're going to get this combo. But if you already have an existing controller, you can just simply pair it with your controller. And just like that, this is how you use it. And just simply download the DJI Fly, rather. Not Flap, right, Fly. So yeah, that's been our quick unboxing of the DJI Lito 1. And now let's proceed with the DJI Lito X1. Now, this is the DJI Lito X1, and as you can see, it's a far better drone compared to the Lito 1. But still, no, pang mga beginner drones pa rin naman siya. 249 grams lang din po ito, no? And again, DJI is trying their best to, you know, make these drones as light as possible so you can take this with you in your travels. Okay, there you go. Now, unlike the DJI Lito 1, this includes a bag. Kasi ito ay, kumbaga, this is a Fly More combo. And usually, when you get a Fly More combo, you get a bag such as this one. Alright, so this is a bag which is intended for the Lito X1. But, syempre, no, if you have other drones, if you have existing drones or other drones that you have, pwede ka rin naman mag-fit dito, no? But then again, as I mentioned earlier, this is intended for the DJI Lito X1. So this is a mini shoulder bag, so fit na fit ang Lito X1 dito. And as you can see right there, ito lahat yung laman niya, no? In this smaller pouch, we've got here several items similar to the one on the Lito 1. We've got here some manuals, stickers, you've got extra propellers. You've got several extras here. I think you have 3 or yeah, you have 1, 2, 3 pairs of extra propellers. You've got a screwdriver if you wish to adjust the propellers or if you wish to install the propellers. And you have here extra batteries, 3 batteries in total. So we've got here 2 here already in the charging dock. And let me just go and check if the battery of the Lito 1 would fit the Lito X1 battery dock. It does. It's pretty much the same battery. And if I put this on here, there's an indicator that and it lit up. That means it is compatible, right? You can charge the battery of the 1 to the Lito X1. Charging dock, rather. All right, so we've got here also the DJI RC2 controller. This is the controller that we've been using on our drones. It's the same controller I'm using on the Avata 360. Same controller for the Flip DJI Mini 5 Pro and Mini 4 Pro as well. So far in my arsenal of the drones, ang ginagamit ko ngayon ay yung Mini 4 Pro. I haven't upgraded to the Mini 5 Pro. I have also a DJI Flip in Avata 360 and Avata 2. But for the Avata 2, I'm using a different controller for that. And so, as usual, you've got here the antenna, and you do also have a screen of your own. And then you have also the joysticks, which are neatly hidden at the back, and you just have to screw it if you wish to install it on your controller. Actually, very excellent yung design talaga ng ng RC2, no? And I really like it. And this is also the reason why they haven't actually announced anything yet na upgraded, except of course if you're getting the Mavic 4 Pro, no? Which has a bigger display, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so we also have here the Lito X1, and just a short while I will be giving you a quick look at the X1 and Lito 1 side by side, so you will know and see the physical differences between the two. Okay? Yan siya, no? Very nice. Meron din siyang cover, as you can see right there. May naka-install na rin dito na battery. It does have here parang paper protector, and flip. And then meron din dito na parang styro. And then that's it. We have already basically unboxed the Lito X1, and it's ready to fly after natin siyang i-update. So our task for tonight is actually to update everything so that when we fly this thing in my aunt's spot in Tagaytay is ready na lahat, no? Now, just to give you guys a quick look at the design of both, no? Pretty much the same weight of the Lito X1, but in terms of how it looks, it's almost identical. Mas wide lang ng konti yung look ng Lito 1. Syempre, nagkakaiba rin ito in terms of sensors, because the Lito X1 has a front sensor. Of course, the more sensor you put on the drone, for manufacturers, the more expensive it gets. No? It's more feature-packed and therefore more expensive. Magkakaiba rin ito in terms of the sensors, in terms also of camera, so things like those. And if you want to know more about the specifications of both the Lito X1 and the Lito 1, we do have written an article about it on our website at gadgetphilippines.net. Go check it out. And also here's a quick look at the specs difference between the two. Right? If you want to fly as a beginner, no, if you have spare money, or if you have money to spare rather, for a drone, a Lito, a beginner drone with more sensors, no, for safety purposes, you might as well get the Lito X1. But if you want something naman na basic lang, pwede mo paliparin, and it has that sensors at the top and bottom, go check out the Lito 1. But then again, compelling reason to get this is a much heavier drone compared to the Neo 2 and the Neo 1. Of course, may mga smart features ang Neo 1, but that you can actually also do on the Lito X1 and 1, no? But at the end of the day, it's all up to you kung ano yung form factor na gusto mo, no? This has, you flip the propellers of this, unlike the one on the Neo 2. You have to, it does not have a flipping mechanism like so, no? You just simply have to turn it on, and then pwede mo na siyang fly. In fact, you can fly it even without any controllers because push button lang talaga siya, no? Unlike this one, you have to use it with the DJI Fly app, or you have to use the controller, either an N3 or an RC2 controller. So that has been our quick unboxing of the Lito 1, the Lito X1. Kukuha ka ba nito? No? Is this something that you want to get for yourself? I'm also a beginner drone flyer, and one of these days I'd probably teach my kids how to fly a drone. And using a much cheaper drone such as the Lito 1 or the Lito X1 would be a perfect fit for me as a dad who wishes, again, to teach my kids to fly a drone. Especially ngayon, bakasyon, wala silang masyadong ginagawa, no? And this might be a good time for them to learn something during this vacation time. All right, so this has been Gian of Gadget Philippines. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.